Welcome to JH. You have likely encountered Nourify Height Enhancer Gummies lately, as they are trending across social media. The primary claim is that these can help children and teenagers grow 1 to 2 inches taller in only a few months. This naturally leads to questions about whether the product is effective or simply overhyped. Let's look at the facts. These gummies consist of a blend of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, vitamin D3, magnesium, and zinc, along with L-arginine and ashwagandha. These ingredients are generally beneficial for physical health, specifically for bone strength and growth support. Therefore, the product is not a fake or dangerous item. It is essentially a specialized multivitamin. However, there is a lack of solid scientific evidence confirming that these gummies alone will increase height, particularly if the user is already well-nourished or past puberty. Much of the growth discussed online could be attributed to normal, age-related development, making it hard to prove the gummies were the cause. While you will find many positive reviews on their official website and in advertisements, users on Reddit and parenting forums are often more skeptical. Some claim they saw no noticeable results, suggesting the product is just a vitamin with excellent marketing. A few people have reported minor side effects like skin breakouts, though this appears to be quite rare. Is this a scam? Not exactly. It is a legitimate product with real ingredients and a refund policy, but labeling it a miracle height booster is likely an overstatement. If a person has a nutritional deficiency, supplements can certainly support healthy growth. However, for someone who is already healthy and eating a balanced diet, these gummies probably won't trigger a major change. In the end, height is mostly determined by genetics, nutrition, sleep, and overall wellness. No supplement can bypass those factors. If you are considering this for your child, it is wise to consult a doctor first. It may be worth trying if your child is still in their growing years, but you should keep your expectations realistic.